Hi, fifth graders. I hope you're excited for art this year. I am. I won't see you till next week, but I want you to go ahead and get started on your first project. And just like always, we're going to kind of start by doing some brainstorming. So, our first project is a calendar competition to draw a picture for the calendar for Keep It Clean Kansas. And this is their Facebook page. And I just wanted you to see their logo here. And I'll just leave it up here while I talk for a little bit. If you get really stuck when you're at home tonight, you can see if your mom can go to this Facebook page. And if you scroll through here, it gives you a bunch of ideas of ways you can help keep Kansas clean. But that's what we're going to brainstorm first. So I want you to spend 2 minutes. So I have the 2-minute timer there connected to your assignment today. Spend 2 minutes brainstorming different ways you can keep Kansas clean. Okay, so go. Okay, so we've spent our 2 minutes brainstorming. So I have a list of about 10 things. I don't know if you can see, don't copy off of mine, but hopefully you have at least about 10 things of ways you can keep Kansas clean. Now, I want you to brainstorm again for 2 minutes. So start the timer again on different things that make you think of Kansas. So this is about our state and only our state. So you wouldn't put alligators down because we don't have any alligators in Kansas. What kind of things do we have in Kansas that kind of make it feel like Kansas? So obviously there's one right here on this Facebook page is sunflowers. Okay, and sunsets, beautiful sunsets. So those are the kinds of things you start writing down. Symbols of Kansas. Okay, go. Okay, so I got about 10 things again. So hopefully you did the same and you have a bunch of things. Right now, I didn't think to tell you. So if you have KU, Jayhawk, Wildcat, K-State, Kansas City Chiefs, Kansas City Royals, any of those things, mark those out because we cannot use those in our drawing. It's part of the rules for the contest, okay? Because those are copyrighted things. So we can't have any of those kind of symbols. No Willie the Wildcat or KU Jayhawks or even the words on there. So mark those out if you've got those on there. Okay, so then the next thing I want to do is I want to show you some of the winners from other years. Okay, let's see if I can get it to do the slideshow. I don't remember how. Okay, we'll just start here. Not all of these are fifth grade winners. Some of them are older, but this one is a fifth grade winner. Okay, and I'm just going to go slow through these, and I want you to just look at them closely. I'm not going to say anything. Just take your time and look at them. Oops, sorry. Okay, that's the end. Now, what I want you to do after looking at those is not copy any of those. Obviously, I will know what a copy is because I've seen them, and they will know too, and it will definitely not win. And in fact, it might get you in a little bit of trouble. So don't copy anything. But what I want you to do is think about, what did all those winners have in common? So pause my video right here and write down a couple things that you thought they had in common. Okay, hopefully you got some things they have in common. Some of the things I wrote down is, first of all, they all go landscape, which is this way, not this way, which is because they have to. So that's the rule. So if you caught that, good for you. They also, the ones that tended to win had good color in them. All the ones that won had words in them. Either Keep Kansas Clean, which is the kind of the theme, or just anything that had to do with that. They didn't all have the exact same words on them, but they had words in them. They almost every one of them had some kind of symbol of Kansas in it as well. Some of them talked about the things you should do to keep Kansas clean. Some of them did not. So it doesn't have to do that, but it can. And I think if you have a good one that shows things to do, they like those. But they also just like ones that show Kansas looking really clean and have the words on it. So those were some general ideas. So your assignment for today is to, in your sketchbook, come up with 2 drawings, sketches. They don't have to be completed drawings. And I would do them in your sketchbook. I would do them. So if this is your sketchbook, I would fold the sketchbook page in half. So you have 2 landscapes. So you'll do one drawing here. Sorry, did you guys see that? I threw my pen. One drawing here, and then on the other side, you'll have another drawing. So about this big for your sketch. They don't have to be perfect. They just have to get the idea across. They have to show where the words are going to be, and they have to kind of give me an idea of what your drawing is going to be. And then I want you to take a picture of both of those, okay, with your Chromebook, and hopefully we can figure out how to attach those to this assignment today. If you can't, you can email them to me. My email is etoole@usd108.org. Okay, so that is where we're headed today. That's what you need to get done. Hopefully you have sketchbook paper. If you don't, I sent over some scratch, so you can use that. If you have questions, email and let me know, and hopefully I can get back to you pretty quickly. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Have fun and work hard. Bye.